small. We have 30 million people in Bombay. They have no place to walk. The same thing should not happen here, right? You have a better opportunity because it's a small city. If the people, there are only I think 5 lakh people or 7 lakh people here, right? Bombay has 30 million people. You cannot ask each and every person. But here, businesses, institutes, colleges, everybody can come together and say, we want this.
So you're an icon for fitness.
Yes.
How do you see India's fitness, Northeast fitness?
The Northeast fitness is fantastic. Of course, there are certain states in India, or I would say actually every state which is not part of the main cities, but people in rural areas have much better fitness because they have not been co-opted by technology. You know, they have to walk, they have to cycle, they have to run. They have a little bit more struggle in their life, which makes them fitter. So struggle is important. Why do we run marathons? It is a struggle. It's not that I have to run 42 kilometers. The day before yesterday, I cycled 120 kilometers. For what? It is a challenge for my mind and my body and my emotions, so which makes me stronger. It makes me better able to enjoy my life. If there are any problems in my life, I know how to solve it like this because I challenge myself all the time. So these things are important. Normally when we think of, oh, what do we want? We want life to be easy. We want life to be comfortable. We want life to be convenient. But that is against us. If we are too easy, if it's too convenient, it's too comfortable, we are destroying our mind, we are destroying our body, we are destroying ourselves as human beings. So a little bit of challenge is very important. If there is no challenge, we must create that challenge for ourselves.
But our food habits go against the...
So of course, see, everything you do, every decision, every choice you make will decide whether you're going to be fitter and healthier or you're going to be unhealthy or are you going to have a disease. So you have to pay attention. Food is very important. 5,000 years ago, the doctors said that food is medicine. Medicine is food. So you know how careful you have to be with medicine. You know, when the doctor tells you take 1 tablet, you don't take 5. You take 1. So food is medicine. You have to be very, very careful with how you eat food, what kind of food you eat and when you eat food. Nobody is saying don't enjoy. Eat biryani, eat gulab jamun, eat. But when, how much and where, you have to.
Lastly,